welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today is Vlogmas day 21. So today I'm making a few cute little gifts for Christmas Eve for my friends' kids. You can also make them for adults. So I hope you enjoy today's video. If you do, make sure you hit that thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join the family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. So today is advent calendar time, so we're on the second last gift, so let's go grab it. Okay, so today we've got number 11 here, so let's just quickly run through. So far we have an eyeliner, a blush, we've got two single eyeshadows, a gag gift which was a mini clipboard, we have the contour palette, the lipstick and lip liner, lip gloss, mascara. This one has the highlighting palette, and then we have a medium sized like powder brush. And then we are on to number 11. So this is number 11. I said it was very heavy and it felt like two products. I'm wondering if it is like some sort of foundation and concealer. So let's have a look. Ooh, I was completely wrong. Okay, so this is a nail polish set. So it's by Sally Hansen, and it is a crushed metal silver nail polish set. So it looks like as though you've got the base coat, you have the effect coat, and then you have the chrome lacquer. Yeah, lacquer coat. So it looks like as though it cracks like this. So that sounds really cool. Here's a picture of it on the nails. I'm not sure if that's gonna pick up on camera, but it looks really, really cool. I'm excited to play with this. I can't wait. And Sally Hansen, I love her brand, so this is excellent. So I did grab number 12 whilst I was there as well, and it looks like this. And to me, it feels like some sort of case. It does feel like there is something in there. Maybe it is a brush set. It could be a brush set. What do you guys think is in here? It's not as heavy as this, but it's got a little bit of weight to it, but it's definitely a case of some sort. But it does feel like as though it has something in it. What do you guys think is in day 12? Let me know down in the comments. I'm super excited to open the last day and then to try all the products out. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. If you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you could, I would love if you could share my videos so you could help my channel grow. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!